YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we have a special treat. We have an early unboxing and on feet of the newest Yeezy 350 Boost V2. This is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 YEEZREEL. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but yeah, this is it. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a ton of ongoing giveaways, including a Yeezy 500 Stone, as well as a shopping spree to the outlet, and even an iPhone, well, a 4S. So make sure that you guys subscribe, follow me on IG. We will be drawing the winners this weekend, so you just have a few more days, or till tomorrow, to be able to subscribe and be part of the raffle. Good luck. So let's jump right into it, guys. I have this courtesy of our partnership with Soul Academy. So this is an early pair because they allowed me to do an early unboxing for you all. So as you can see, it comes in your typical Yeezy 350 brown carton box. You have the details of the sneaker written here on the side. It says Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 13, YEEZREEL, YEEZREEL, YEEZREEL. So that's the official colorway of the shoe. If you slide this open, we're all pretty used to unboxing Yeezys now on this channel. You have the typical tissue paper, and then bam, guys, this is the first time I'm seeing it, and man, oh man, it is a loud sneaker. This is one bright shoe. Whoa, crazy. So let's take a closer look at the design as well as the story behind the name of the shoe. This sneaker is going to release with two more other Yeezy 350s in the next few months or weeks. This, of course, is called the YEEZREEL. There is another one which is called the YEEZREEL, and then another one which is called Yeshaya. Now, apologies if I butchered all three names. It's not my natural tongue or language. But to those who are curious, it actually is kind of representative of where Kanye is right now in his career and in his personal life. There are actually references to either biblical words or biblical places. For example, Yechil, which is the black and red variant, means may God live, or God shall live in Hebrew. The Yeshaya, which is more a purple version of the sneaker, directly translate to God is salvation. Now, YEEZREEL, according to what I've researched, doesn't have a direct translation, so it's probably inspired, according to some of the research that I've read, by an ancient Israelite city and fortress which is called Jezreel. That out of the way, let's take a closer look at the sneaker. As you guys can see, it is very reminiscent of two previous Yeezys. The first one is the Yeezy Frozen Yellow because it has vibes of that, especially the color of the inside of the shoe as well as the outsole. Now, when it comes to the upper, it actually reminds me of the typical V2 pattern. However, the color of the glow-in-the-dark Yeezy, which came out a few months back. And now those sneakers combined, put together, really creates this really loud shoe. The only thing tapering the loudness is actually the print at the top of the black, but if you look at it, but man, it's still going to break necks and turn heads regardless wherever you go. It still has that transparent stripe along the lateral side of the sneaker, and you have some sort of like mint green laces, which actually looks pretty good because you'd think that they just use, say, the same color across the different parts of the shoe, but in reality, they're actually using different colors, different shades of green and yellow to be able to put this shoe together. Fortunately, we still have the pull tab here at the back. I kind of miss this. I really think that every Yeezy 350 should always come with the pull tab because it makes it easier to slide in your feet. And then, of course, if you go down, you have that boost encased in this midsole, and then you have that rubber outsole here at the bottom of the shoe. Now, I've said this so many times already. To those who haven't tried the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 yet, it is ridiculously comfortable. I think and I think several people have talked about this in the past. They liken the experience to like wearing hotel slippers, except that you have a more cushiony and stable outsole and midsole thanks to the boost and the rubber versus your typical hotel slippers. But the upper is really fluffy, gives you that pillow-like experience, and that, apart from the name of Kanye West and the hype behind the shoe, has made this into a household hype brand name all over the world. I pretty much reviewed most, maybe around 80 to 90% of all the Yeezy 350 Boost V2s that have come out in 2019, and this easily lands number 2 on my list. Number 1 being the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Clay. This becomes number 2. Number 3 is probably the Synth or the Citrin. So I'm more into the louder colors when it comes to the Yeezys, but mainly because when it comes to my collection, I already have a lot of plain colored white and black sneakers, either from Adidas or other brands. So when it comes to wearing sneakers like from Kanye, like this one, I look to more louder pieces because, again, like what I mentioned, it's all about your collection. Maybe you don't have a lot of sneakers yet, then maybe you might want to get like a more subtle variant like the cloud white or the black one. But for people who've already amassed quite a certain amount, the louder, the more different, the more unique, the better. That's the case for me anyway. When it comes to sizing, a lot of people say that you should go a half size up on the V2s. For me, I usually go either a half size up or a full size up, but mainly because I have really wide feet. If you have normal size feet, I think going true to size or maybe a half size up would do well for you. So that's actually it for our unboxing of the Yeezy YEEZREEL. So watch out for my unboxing of the other Yeezys as they come out in the coming days ahead. Now this one, by the way, retails I think for 13,000 pesos, so it is kind of expensive and not everybody will have that cash ready come December. Now if you want an affordable alternative, I actually have a solid sneaker to recommend to you guys. I am talking about the Adidas Ozweego. So this is the Ozweego, I think in like some sort of khaki color. It looks dope. I mean, the silhouette is kind of similar together with that almost like wide upper and wider base. It is extremely comfortable thanks to the adiprene midsole that they are using over here. And you can even give it a little more pop if you exchange the laces. So this particular colorway that I have with me today has extra like red or orange laces. So if you swipe that there, it gives it a little bit more pop. And the amazing thing about well, Ozweegos is that they won't, you know, leave a burning hole in your back because they sell anywhere from 6,000 to 7,000 pesos. In fact, some of them are actually sitting on outlet shelves, which makes them even more affordable for you guys. Now, if you want a more hype version of this, the Ozweego collaboration with Pusha T. I'm not a fan of the guy, so I can't really, you know, hype it up, or I can't really, and that's the reason why I didn't buy it in the first place. He came out with two sneakers, one in blue, one in some sort of like green color. You might want to check that out. My main point is there are a lot of great alternatives from Adidas just in case you don't win the raffle or you can't afford buying the Yeezy for now. Don't fret, there are a lot of sneakers, lots of choices, a lot of dope, really cool kicks that won't break the bank. So don't feel forced that you need to buy things that you can't afford yet. What do you guys think of the Yeezy YEEZREEL, Yachill, and Yashala? All of the three new ones? Let me know in the comment section down below. Which of the three are you planning on copying? What's your thoughts on this particular shoe? Guys, leave a comment. Let's have a great discussion. Let's exchange some ideas. I'll try to reply to as many as possible as I can. But again, I throw it to you guys. Which of the three would you want to cop? The black one, the purple one, or this one? Why? And what do you think specifically about this shoe? I look forward to reading your comments down below. By the way, let me just remind you, the giveaway is still ongoing. We're giving away the Yeezy 500 Stone, the shopping spree to the outlet, and a bunch of other stuff. The details to all of the giveaways are listed in the description box. Please do click them all, watch all the videos, and find out what you need to do to be able to be part of the pool for the people that we will draw from to see who wins those prizes. And if you're wondering where you can buy more Yeezys for retail, please do follow Soul Academy on Instagram. They will be releasing more announcements in the coming weeks ahead, not just for Yeezys, but for a lot of other great shoes and apparel. So make sure that you follow them on Instagram so you can see and read for yourself firsthand what are the mechanics for the upcoming releases. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, as usual, boom.